What's up, guys? J2 Disco here. It's Sunday, beautiful day in Florida, as you can see a little bit. Anyways, I was going to make a moto vlog. I've got a list of videos that I wanted to make, and I was about to head out and start filming, but then I realized that I didn't charge my GoPro after my last ride, so it's dead. I've got it on the charger. So I figured I would make a little walk around video of my motorcycle. I've got a 2009 Kawasaki ZX-10R. I haven't really had it that long. I've only had it for a couple weeks now. Bought it off of eBay. It had 3,100 miles on it when I got it, and I think it's got almost 4,000, so I've only put about 1,000 miles on this bike. So far, I love it. Bike that I sold to buy this one was a 2003 Honda CBR 600RR, so it is a huge upgrade in really every way possible. Modifications, so we've got a Hot Bodies MGP Growler slip-on exhaust. He put rear spools on it as well. Got a rear fender eliminator kit, looks pretty good. Cleaned up the tail end. He also put some kind of cool ZX-10 grips on it, and that's about it. All I've done to it is put the 2 CTs on it, because when I got the bike, the tires were just totally shot, and then I put a servo buddy on it so that the FI light wouldn't be, you know, flashing red. But that's all I've done to it. I've got a set of tank pads ordered. Those should be coming in from Revzilla sometime soon. And then I thought about putting a double bubble on the thing, probably a dark smoke one. Thought that'd look pretty good. One of the things I love about this bike is the gauge cluster, the way that it lights up like that. That backlight's pretty sweet. So let's start it up. So that's pretty much it, guys. I bought this bike for $6,100. I think that's a pretty good deal. 3,000 miles on it, 6,100 bucks for a ZX-10R. This is what I'm riding. Love it, got nothing bad to say about it. Definitely recommend it to anybody looking for a leader bike. All right, later.